Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. If you have a small garden in a small place, you must have a chili plant. And in that chili plant, there may be many problems. We have earlier uploaded many videos on this chili plant, but we have never talked about this problem in any of those videos. Like this plant gives chili all years, that too in very high amounts. And this container gives compost to the plant continuously. And just with the help of a few more organic fertilizers, we get lots of chilies every year. And to get good chilies, we give some potassium-rich fertilizers. And potassium means banana peels because banana has a lot of potassium in it. Just cut the banana peels in small pieces and store them in a container with some water in it for 6 to 7 days. Then dilute it with some more water and give it to your plants. Like my mom diluted it with rice water. If you have rice water, you can dilute it with rice water or you can just do it with water. And in this jar, we compost tea leaves and banana peels. And this jar has pores in its body, which gives the plant some fertilizer continuously. This plant has been with us for about a year, and the size and the production was really good. But recently we noticed something, that the size got very small and the production was also very less. After checking the soil and the roots of this plant, my mom noticed that this plant has nematodes. There was mild infestations, but the roots already had knots in it. So after digging, my mom removed most of those root knots. As you know, nematodes is actually a type of worm which sucks all the nutrition out of the roots. So the plant becomes very weak. So how should we control this problem and save the plant? That's why my mom is doing a unique solution. And I hope this will help your plants as well. First, my mom dug the soil as much as possible and she removed most of the root knots. Then you also have to give some organic compost and neem coal, because the compost will add some more fertility to the soil and the neem coal will control the nematodes. Can you recognize what these are? I'm pretty sure you know them. Those are mustard seeds. In here you have to give either mustard seeds or plant a marigold, because these mustard seeds and marigold's roots secrete such a compound which will kill all the nematodes. After planting it, my mom gave some good amount of compost and neem coal. I hope that after the mustard seed plant grows, the nematode problem will be controlled and the plant will be healthy again. So if you have the same problem, you can surely do this step. That's all. Bye bye.